Guided search is intended to walk users through more refined searches using Boolean operators, as well as by limiting search results using other facets. Once you are logged into TGIF, you will start on the basic search page. Click the tab that says Guided Search. In the first Search For box, type the most important word or phrase of your search. Leave the As a drop-down list as anywhere including full text, but this can be changed if you only want results that apply to a specific type of information, such as author, facility, cultivar, etc. To add another search term, click Add Search Row. The rows are tied together using the Boolean operators AND, or not from the drop-down list. The Boolean operators will execute not first, and second, or third. For example, sports or trees and courses will execute as sports or trees and courses. By default, guided search will search across all publication types, all years, all sectors, and all kinds of items. But these drop-downs can be changed to help limit your search results. There are also 4 special checkboxes that can limit your search to only USGA publications, only full-text content, to exclude abstract-only records, and to exclude blog records. If you are trying to conduct a search but are unsure of which terms you would like to use, choose Browse Index to find suggestions. Enter a term in the List Terms Near field and select an index type from the drop-down. Clicking Display Index will provide a list of terms closest to your initial inquiry. So if, for example, you were looking for a facility called Fox Hills, you would type that into the List Terms Near field, choose Facility from the drop-down, and click Display Index. Now scroll through and choose results that are closest to your initial query, and at the bottom, click Use Selected Terms. The terms you chose will now appear in your original search bar. Remember to change your drop-down from anywhere including full text to whatever you had used within the index, which in this case was facility. Another example, if you were interested in searching for a particular author, type the author's name into the Search For box and choose Author from the As a drop-down. This will return items authored by people whose name is Beard, whereas changing the As a drop-down box to Person would search for items about people named Beard. One last, more complex example is if you were interested in full-text articles by Frank Rossi written in the last 5 years. To do this search, enter his name into the search box, last name, first name, and then change the drop-down to Author. Now change the year list to last 5 years, and at the bottom click Full Text Content. Now click Search. As you can see, guided search can easily create complex searches that will help you find results quickly.